Ever wish your blog posts could speak for themselves? Well, today they literally can. In this video, I'll show you how to take your blog content to the next level using ElevenLabs AI voice tools. We'll start with a quick voice clone, then two powerful but easy ways to embed audio in your post automatically. Let's go. So the first method is fully automated, great for people who publish often or repurpose content from other sources. In this example, I've set up a SureTriggers workflow that pulls news from an RSS feed. It turns it into a draft blog post and automatically adds the generic WordPress audio player right into the post. The second method uses ElevenLabs custom HTML and JavaScript code that you can drop into your WordPress child theme or use it with a plugin such as WP Code or Code Snippets. And that dynamically adds in the ElevenLabs audio player directly into your post and using the post content as the source. So let's get started into the how-to of this tutorial. So let's start with the cool part here, and that is cloning your voice. Yes, it's a little creepy, but it's pretty cool, and I want to show you how to do it, and it's very easy with ElevenLabs. Once you create your ElevenLabs account, if you don't already have one, I have a link in the description for you to go check it out. It is an affiliate link, so thanks very much if you do indeed use that link. So once you've created your account or you've logged into your account, under the Voices tab, click on Add a New Voice. And what we're going to do is called Instant Voice Clone. And so you click on that option there. So they give you directions on how to do this. I won't spend a lot of time here, but basically you can either upload previously recorded audio or record audio directly into the interface. Once you've done that, you'll give it a name. Let me just exit out here. So I've got Me Too, which is the more recent one I created. And if I go into my personal tab here, you'll see Me, which I created actually a couple years ago. And now this is the one I recorded this week called Me Too. And if you mouse over it here, you'll see a little play button. And if you click play, you'll actually hear your voice. In cinema, we find both the ordinary and sublime. I think that's pretty cool. So we're going to be using this voice in both methods that I'll be demonstrating today. So let me walk you through the SureTriggers option real quickly. What we're going to be doing is an RSS feed. When a new item comes in, connect with ChatGPT and do a summary of that article that came in, rewrite it as an SEO expert. You can kind of guess the prompt there. And then I wanted to create a title for our blog post. Then we get into the ElevenLabs fun. So let's quickly look at the ElevenLabs option here. In order to connect SureTriggers with ElevenLabs, you need to have an API key. You can create an API key with a free ElevenLabs account. However, if you want to use your cloned voice, then you're going to have to upgrade to at least the $5 a month option, and you'll get about 30,000 credits, I think it is, and you can apply that to the audio that's created for your blog posts. So once you've got your API key in there, you connect it with SureTriggers, then we go into the configuration tab. So I've got my Me Too option in there, and you can see that there are many other voices that you can choose from, depending on which one you prefer. The model I selected is the latest option, and then the content is what comes in from ChatGPT. So if we just do the @ symbol here, we get access to our data. And under the data, I'm just selecting the create chat completion here. And you'll see right here, that's our content that's being created based on the article that came in from the RSS feed. Okay, and then I just chose one for both, for stability and boost. And then if we go to test it, we'll click on test action here. Okay, test action is successful. And what happens is that SureTriggers creates the MP3 file, and you can use that in the next step when we create our blog post. So we're going to click on save there, and we'll just don't show this again. We'll click confirm, and then we get into the assembling of our blog post in draft. In order to get the connection from SureTriggers to your WordPress website, you have to install the SureTriggers plugin in the WordPress website where you want to have that connection. Then we get into the configuration. Post URL is nothing because it'll be auto-generated. Our post type is post. We are going to do a draft because there are some formatting issues that can happen depending on your theme and other plugins that you might have. So I always like to do it in draft. Plus you want to edit whatever comes in from ChatGPT. And then for the post content, this is where we're going to add in the file URL to that MP3 and the content. Now I've got it one right on top of each other, and you'll see what it looks like when it comes in as a draft blog post. And that's it. And we're just going to click on continue, and then we can test out the action. And what will happen is it will create a blog post for us to go check out. Okay, action tested successfully, and then we'll click save. Let's go over to the posts, and we'll just do a refresh here. And it's for this one right here, crack the code. And if we click on preview, we're just going to click play and have a listen. Step right in, intrepid entrepreneurs and business gurus. Today, we'll delve into the labyrinth of software licensing and emerge on the other side, enlightened and unscathed. We'll navigate those precipitous pitfalls, sidestep foreseeable gaffes, and march confidently towards compliance. Essentially, it's all about understanding the quirky, sometimes convoluted mechanics of software compliance and licensing. So that's the first method. Now let's transition to the second method. So I'm in the audio native option under audio tools in ElevenLabs. Now, in order to use this option, you do have to upgrade to the $22 a month. I think it's $11 a month right now to that option. So just be aware of that. But what you do have is an audio player. And so you can do a background color, you can do a text color. Let's change the text color to, let's do an orange color like that. And then you're going to have to do an allow URL list. So we're going to add in our website URL. Very easy to do. And then down the bottom here, click save URL. And then what the last piece is to embed a snippet of code. And so we can just grab this snippet of code here, or if we scroll up here, we can go into settings, and here's that snippet of code again. So there's a little copy option here. Just click on copy, and it also shows you the player. And the player option we want to have is my voice, and we're going to do the multilingual version 1. That's what the one that they recommend. And then we've got our player in there, and we can do a title and author. We'll keep it as audio by ElevenLabs. We can use author as Larry Snow, and we can do custom content, etc., etc. But we will just keep everything the way it is right there. And we're going to go over to a plugin called WP Code or Code Snippets. And I've already got the code in there, but what you need to do is install this plugin. It's free. And then you want to click on add new snippet. Okay, add your custom code. So that's the one we're going to create right there. Add custom snippet. It's going to be an HTML snippet. So select that. Paste in the code that we just got from ElevenLabs. Okay, where it says auto insert, we want to have that as auto insert. So under page specific, we want to select, and then we want to select insert before content, and we want to do any device. So we've got our snippet in there. We can save this as ElevenLabs or something like that. And then at the very top here, we want to turn this on so it's active and click on update. Then we want to go to a blog post I have already open here, and I'm just going to hit refresh, and hopefully we see the audio player from ElevenLabs. With the audio player from ElevenLabs, you can see that we have a lot more options than the generic audio file play that you'd get with the SureTriggers option. Once your pages are loaded, and if we take a look at that here, you can see that once a page gets loaded in the browser, the connection to ElevenLabs will automatically generate the audio file. Now, in my experience, that's taken about a minute or so to do. So when a person is first visiting that page, if it doesn't already have a file, an audio file generated, it will take a little while. But in the meantime, it'll say, converting to audio. It'll show a little message there. It says it's converting to audio with a little spinning wheel. So that might be confusing to some people, but once the page is loaded, it'll just automatically load. It doesn't do that every single time, just initially when it's first seeing the blog post. So keep that in mind. So there you have it. 2 powerful ways to bring your blog post to life using ElevenLabs audio. Whether you're automating content from an RSS feed with SureTriggers, or using the ElevenLabs embed code directly in your WordPress website. Both methods give your readers a new way to experience your content and help you stand out in a sea of silent blog posts. And if you got value from this video, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment and let me know which method you're planning to try first. And I'll see you in the next video.